Hello everybody, today we are going to cook chicken katsu in curry sauce. I think we need is carrots, white onion, olive oil and bay leaf. We also need curry powder, chicken stock or vegetable stock and plain flour, and a little bit of brown sugar. Firstly, I can saute the carrot and onion for about 5 to 7 minutes, and after it softens, I add some bay leaf. And also garlic. Adding curry powders and flour, plain flour. So you mix them together until it looks like this. And then add some vegetable stock, mix up with warm water, 500 milliliter, and I leave it on the medium heat for about 20 minutes. Then now move on to making chicken and breadcrumb while we're waiting for curry sauce to cook. The thing I need is salt and pepper and 1 chicken egg. You whisk the egg and then you do some seasoning flour. Then you put some chicken to coat it with the flour, egg and breadcrumb. You make this step by step. The reason to put the flour, egg and breadcrumb is to make the chicken stick to the breadcrumb better. So you continue working on this one. And after that, this is what it looks like. So then we go back to the pot on the hob and add a little bit of brown sugar into this sauce. Then now we gonna prepare the oil in a pan so to fry that chicken coating in the breadcrumb. So now what does the chicken look like after I fried it in the hot pan? And now we can come and blend the curry sauce to make it smoother. This is optional. You can just leave it as it is. You don't have to blend it. You can have it both way, but I like my smooth. So now we go on to cook some rice. And the next video I will show how to cook the rice. And this is what the chicken katsu and curry sauce look like. Thank you for watching. Bye.